Welcome, Fruities! We're thrilled to have you here. Take a moment to check if your favorite fruit or any local gems made it into the video. If not, share your fruity treasures in the comments below. Let's celebrate the wonderful world of fruits together. Apple. Crisp and sweet, globally cultivated, major producers include China, the United States, and Poland. Banana. Creamy and portable, native to tropical regions, major producers include Ecuador, the Philippines, and India. Orange. Refreshingly citrusy, grown in many countries, top producers include Brazil, the United States, and China. Grapes. Whether red or green, widely cultivated, major producers include Italy, Spain, and the United States. Strawberry. Juicy and vibrant, major producers include the United States, Mexico, and Spain. Mango. Tropical and succulent, native to India, major producers include China, Thailand, and the Philippines. Pineapple. Tropical and tangy, major producers include Costa Rica, the Philippines, and Thailand. Watermelon. Refreshing and hydrating, major producers include China, Turkey, and Iran. Avocado. Creamy and versatile, native to Mexico, major producers include the United States and Peru. Blueberry. Packed with antioxidants, major producers include the United States, Canada, and Chile. Peach. Fragrant and juicy, major producers include China, the United States, and Spain. Pear. Sweet and crisp, major producers include China, the European Union, and the United States. Plum. Offers a sweet and slightly tart taste, major producers include China, Romania, and Serbia. Kiwi. Vibrantly green and tangy, native to China, major producers include New Zealand and Italy. Lemon. Citrusy and tart, major producers include Spain, the United States, and India. Lime. Zesty and refreshing, major producers include Mexico, India, and Egypt. Grapefruit. Sweet and tangy, major producers include the United States, China, and South Africa. Raspberry. Small and delicate, major producers include Russia, the United States, and Poland. Blackberry. Rich and dark, major producers include Mexico, the United States, and Serbia. Papaya. Tropical and sweet, major producers include India, Brazil, and Indonesia. Cantaloupe. Sweet and fragrant, major producers include China, Turkey, and Iran. Nectarine. Smooth-skinned and juicy, major producers include the United States, Spain, and Italy. Pomegranate. With jewel-like seeds, major producers include India, Iran, and Turkey. Coconut. Tropical and versatile, native to tropical regions, major producers include Indonesia, the Philippines, and India. Apricot. Small and golden, major producers include Turkey, Iran, and Uzbekistan. Cranberry. Tart and often used in sauces, major producers include the United States, Canada, and Russia. Guava. Fragrant and tropical, major producers include India, Mexico, and Brazil. Dragon fruit, pitaya. Exotic and visually striking, native to Central America, major producers include Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines. Passion fruit. Aromatic and tangy, major producers include Brazil, Kenya, and Australia. Lychee. Sweet and floral, native to China, major producers include India, Thailand, and Vietnam. Persimmon. Sweet or astringent, native to China, major producers include South Korea, Japan, and Brazil. Cherry. Sweet or tart, major producers include the United States, Turkey, and Poland. Fig. Rich and honey-like, major producers include Turkey, Egypt, and Algeria. Tangerine. Small and easy to peel, major producers include China, Spain, and the United States. Kiwi berry. Miniature versions of kiwi, major producers include New Zealand, Italy, and the United States. Mangosteen. Unique and lesser known, native to Southeast Asia, major producers include Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Currants. Small and vibrant, often used in jams, major producers include Russia, Germany, and Poland. Elderberry. Tiny and dark, used in culinary and medicinal applications, major producers include Europe and North America. Huckleberry. Small and wild, major producers include the United States, Canada, and Russia. Mulberry. Sweet and often found in different colors, major producers include China, Turkey, and Pakistan. Ackee. Tropical and unique, staple in Caribbean cuisine, native to West Africa. Barbados cherry, Acerola. Small and red, exceptionally high in vitamin C. Major producers include Brazil, the Caribbean, and Central America. Black currant. Dark and tart, used in juices and desserts. Major producers include Russia, Poland, and Germany. Boysenberry, a cross between blackberry, raspberry, and loganberry, sweet and juicy. Major producers include the United States and New Zealand. Chayote, crisp and mild, often used in salads. Major producers include Mexico, Brazil, and Costa Rica. Cloudberry, delicate and golden, native to Arctic and alpine regions. Major producers include Scandinavia and Russia. Cactus pear, prickly pear, vibrant and sweet, native to the Americas. Major producers include Mexico, Italy, and the United States. Damson plum, small and dark, often used in jams and liqueurs. Major producers include the United Kingdom, Germany, and France. Durian, known for its strong odor, custard-like texture, and unique flavor, native to Southeast Asia. Major producers include Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. Feijoa, aromatic and sweet, also known as pineapple guavas, native to South America. Major producers include New Zealand and Brazil. Goji berry, small and red, known for their health benefits, native to China. Major producers include China, Mongolia, and Tibet. Golden kiwi, sweeter than the common green kiwi. Major producers include New Zealand, Italy, and Chile. Jujube, sweet and often dried, native to China. Major producers include China, India, and Iran. Kumquat, small and citrusy, eaten whole. Major producers include China, Japan, and the United States. Loganberry, a hybrid between blackberry and raspberry. Major producers include the United States and the United Kingdom. Marionberry, a type of blackberry. Major producers include the United States, particularly in Oregon. Miracle fruit, berries that alter taste perception, native to West Africa. Major producers include Nigeria, Ghana, and Cameroon. Pawpaw, native to North America, with a custard-like texture. Major producers include the United States. Rambutan, similar to lychee, native to Southeast Asia. Major producers include Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Red currant, bright and tart, used in culinary applications. Major producers include Germany, Poland, and the Netherlands. Salak, snake fruit, crisp and sweet, native to Indonesia. Major producers include Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia. Sea buckthorn, tart and orange berries, rich in vitamins, native to Europe and Asia. Major producers include Russia, China, and Mongolia. Soursop, graviola, tropical and sweet, known for its health benefits, native to the Americas. Major producers include Brazil, the Caribbean, and Southeast Asia. Starfruit, carambola, sweet and star-shaped, native to Southeast Asia. Major producers include India, the Philippines, and Indonesia. Sugar apple, custard apple, sweet and creamy, native to the Americas. Major producers include India, Mexico, and the Philippines. Ugly fruit, a cross between grapefruit, orange, and tangerine. Major producers include Jamaica and the United States. White currant, mild and sweet, used in jams and desserts. Major producers include Germany, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands. Yellow passion fruit, a variety of passion fruit with yellow skin and aromatic, tangy pulp, native to South America. Major producers include Brazil, Ecuador, and Colombia. Acai berry, small and purple, known for its health benefits, native to the Amazon rainforest. Major producers include Brazil and Peru. Cempedak, related to jackfruit, native to Southeast Asia. Major producers include Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Guanabana, also known as soursop, native to the Americas. Major producers include Brazil, Mexico, and the Caribbean. Jabuticaba, Brazilian grape tree with fruits that grow directly on the trunk, with a sweet, grape-like flavor, native to Brazil. Jackfruit, largest fruit, with a fibrous texture and sweet taste, native to Southwest India. Major producers include India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. Kaffir lime, citrus fruit with fragrant leaves used in cooking, native to Southeast Asia. Major producers include Thailand and Indonesia. Kaki persimmon, sweet and non-astringent when ripe, native to China. Major producers include China, Korea, and Japan. Loquat, small, sweet fruit with a tart flavor, native to China. Major producers include China, Japan, and Spain. Osage orange, inedible fruit used for decorative purposes, native to North America. Major producers include the United States. Red banana, sweeter and creamier than the common yellow banana, native to Southeast Asia. Major producers include the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Satsuma, a type of mandarin orange, native to Japan. Major producers include Japan, China, and the United States. Seltzer. Small and sour fruit, native to South Asia. Major producers include India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Star apple. Sweet and milky fruit with a star-shaped pattern inside, native to the Americas. Major producers include the Caribbean, Central America, and the Philippines. Tamarillo. Egg-shaped fruit with a sweet and tangy taste, native to South America. Major producers include New Zealand, Ecuador, and Colombia. Tamarind. Pod-like fruit with a sweet and tangy pulp, native to Africa. Major producers include India, Thailand, and Mexico. Buddha's hand. Citrus fruit with finger-like segments and a strong fragrance, native to India and China. Major producers include China, India, and the United States. Ceylon olive. Small and blue-black, native to Sri Lanka. Chokeberry. Tart and dark, native to North America, including the United States and Canada. Gooseberry. Tart and often used in jams and desserts, native to Europe, including the United Kingdom and Germany. Horned melon. Kawano. Spiky orange fruit with a jelly-like green interior, mildly sweet and tart, native to Africa, now grown in countries like New Zealand and the United States. Pulasan. A tropical fruit similar to lychee, native to Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Rowan berry. The fruit of the rowan tree, found in Europe, North America, and Asia. Saba nut. The nut of the saba tree, native to the Philippines. Saskatoon berry. Small, purple berries native to North America, commonly found in Canada and the United States. Sapote. A term for various soft, pulpy fruits. Examples include black sapote in Central and South America. Yellow watermelon. A watermelon variety with yellow flesh, available in various countries globally. Arbutus, strawberry tree. The fruit of the strawberry tree, found in Mediterranean regions, Europe, and North America. Atamoya. A hybrid fruit, cherimoya and sugar apple, grown in tropical and subtropical regions, including South America and Southeast Asia. Betel nut. The seed of the betel palm, chewed in many Asian and Pacific countries for its stimulant effects. Kempadic. A type of jackfruit with a strong odor, popular in Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia and Indonesia. Kapuka. A tropical rainforest fruit related to cacao, native to the Amazon rainforest in South America. Indian fig, prickly pear. Various varieties with sweet and mildly tangy flavors, native to the Americas and widely cultivated in Mediterranean regions. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of the diverse world of fruits. If you discovered a new favorite or learned something new, give us a thumbs up and consider sharing this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Connect with us on social media for behind-the-scenes fun and exclusive content. Your feedback and fruit suggestions are always welcome. What's your local fruit? Is there a fantastic local fruit we missed? Share it in the comments below. Let's celebrate the incredible diversity of fruits around the world. Thanks for being part of our fruitful community.